Welcome to What is Scrum Part 3. In Part 2, we talked about the 3 roles through the lens of a project to build a fitness app. Now we're getting into the 5 events. Again, we will use the concept of building a fitness app as our project. The very first event is the sprint. This is the heartbeat of Scrum. This is where all the other events reside because the sprint is a container for all the other events. A sprint could be 4 weeks or less, meaning anywhere between some days to 4 weeks is what we would expect for the duration. It's a fixed window where the team delivers a real piece of the app or the product. Maybe in your case, it's not IT, it could be some other sort of product. But at the end of every sprint, something valuable is ready to ship or show. The second event is sprint planning. Before a sprint begins, we plan what features will we build this sprint. Perhaps in sprint 1, we commit to launching the workout module. In sprint 2, we could commit to working on the meal prep module or something else. The third event is called the daily scrum. Every day, the team huddles for 15 minutes to answer 3 questions. What did I do yesterday to move us towards the sprint goal? Because every sprint should have an overarching goal. What will I do today to move us towards the sprint goal? And lastly, are there any impediments? For example, I finished the workout database, and today I'm building the login screen. I am blocked waiting on graphic assets. This is a signal to those other team members who may be waiting for a handover or those who could help in resolving the impediment. Event number 4, sprint review. At the end of the sprint, we review the work with stakeholders. We demo the working fitness app, although that's not the only thing we do in the sprint review. The sprint review is also an opportunity to gather feedback and to understand what could we possibly add to the backlog, if any. What adjustments do we need to make? So the team pretty much says, here's the new workout planner. Let's walk through it together. And they gather feedback immediately. Lastly is a sprint retrospective. Finally, the team reflects internally. What went well? What could we improve on right now? Maybe we realized that our estimates were off, and we can adapt how we plan in the next sprint.